Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Sacramento. Firstly, open any of the web browser. And in the top, there's address bar. Type down sacfort.ca.gov and you need to enter it. So once you're inside this homepage of Sacramento, in the top, there is this online services. Select there. And over here, scroll a bit down. And from here, you need to select this case search in the top. And from here, scroll a bit down, and over here, you can find there's this traffic. You can search your case by your driver license number, citation, or the case number here. As I'm going to select the citation, you can choose any of the three. So over here, what you need to do is you need to type down your citation number here. You can also search additionally by your last name or business or your vehicle license. And you can also select for the issued year, or you can select for your agency as well. And after that, you can select the search in the bottom. And after that, you can open your case and review the amount due. You can select the option to pay in full and complete the payment with a credit or debit card. And after that, you can save your payment confirmation, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.